Hi everyone, this is Quentin, and this is the first episode, the first video of my channel, Building with Quentin. Today I'm going to show you some of the things that I am working on right now. It's a little bit of a work in progress right here. This robot right here, the feet are obviously missing, but I will eventually fix that a little bit. And over here we have this helicopter. Again, work in progress. Eventually, it'll look a lot better. Also going to show you a few things a few methods that you can use when you need to organize your Legos. Over here, I have Lego pieces all in different containers. These ones right here are in plastic bags. This one right here is in a plastic container. And sometimes I don't have enough of these containers, so I just use some of the Legos to make the container for the other Legos. I built this one controller from a few pieces. Like some of them were from actual Legos, the other are from the off-brand Legos. But I don't see what's so bad about. Okay. Okay, over here we have my Lego video game controller, complete with all the 4 buttons right here, the directional pad, the joysticks, and even the bumpers and triggers. With the base, of course, being made of those small panel pieces, the base pieces, I mean. Some of them are Legos, while the others are, I think this one was called Mega Bloks, but it works just fine. It looks pretty cool to me. Right here, I have this 3-layer vanilla cake. Now, I originally was going to make a larger cake, but I chose to make this one a little bit smaller to make it slightly more detailed, because otherwise it would just look like a giant white block. Okay, so far I have the legs built for the other character, the other robot I want to build. But just like the other one, it's in progress. This one right here is going to be more of an animal looking robot rather than the humanoid looking robot. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you for now. I'll let you know when I'm finished building the robots and the helicopter. And you can... I'm a little nervous. This is my first video. But that's enough for today, though. The next video, I'll be a lot less nervous. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. See y'all later.